This demo is for generating the mark sheet from the Excel sheet and sending it automatically to the respective student's mail ID. So to do this, there are 3 steps to be followed. First thing is you have to create a Google Sheet. In the Google Sheet, you have to enter it like this with the roll number, email name, and marks for each section. So it should be created for all the 60 students of your class. It should be created in a Google Drive as a Google Sheet. Similarly, you have to create a Google slide, which is the template for generating the mark sheet. It should contain the template of the mark sheet, whichever it is preferred by you. So I have given here it as section A with all questions, section B with all questions, section C with all questions, and total mark and subject staff name. This also to be created with the help of a Google slide, and it should be kept ready. And I have to download the add-on tool Autocrat from my Google Sheet. So that I will show you now. So let me go to my Gmail ID, go to my drive. In my drive, I have to create a folder, new folder by clicking on new. So I have already created a new folder for my mark sheet. So I have created a folder called generate mark sheet. So in that I have that Excel sheet, that is the spreadsheet, and as well as my Google slide. So if you open this Google slide, you will have the template like this. So this is the format of the mark sheet that I'm going to send my students. And this is nothing but the Excel sheet which is already available in my Google Drive. So from this Excel sheet, I have already entered the marks, and already you know that Excel you can generate the marks and you can calculate the total marks by giving the formula. Here also I am giving the formula like sum of particular. So section A total is summed up. Likewise, section B total is summed up. Section C total is given as sum of U2 to Y2, and total is calculated by adding these two, SAT, SBT and SAT. So that is also given here. T2, that is I2, T2 and Z2. From here, I am going to click on the add-on Autocrat. Because I have already installed, it is available. If you want to install for the first time, go to Get Add-ons. Here, it will display the list of add-on tools which are available with this particular, and select the Autocrat tool. If you are not able to search it, you just type here Autocrat. It will display. So here it is. I have already installed. So it is showing me that it is installed. If you have not installed, click on this and install it. So I am going to that Autocrat tool, opening it. So let me open the tool, create a new job. The job title should be given as Mark Sheet Second CA. CA test. Click on next. So I'm going to select a slide or template, mark sheet template from the slide. It has already been created by me. So I'm selecting it from the Google Drive. So I'm clicking on this mark sheet, select. See, it will display fetching the tags and mark sheet has been imported here. Click on next. Now I have to merge all the tag fields to this particular sheet. See, I'm going to import from sheet 1. By default, it will be sheet 1. See, here sheet 1. Header row is first row, that is the title of each row, each column, and data row is from second row. And name should be mapped with each column to be mapped with the respective. So name should be mapped with name, and roll number should be mapped with roll number specifically. And Q1, Q2, Q3, if it is already there, leave it. Q5, SAT, section A total is mapped. Section Q6, Q7, Q8, Q9. And here you have to give Q10. Why it is not displayed means I have given a space here, Q space 10, but here it is given as Q10. So that is why it is not automatically fetching. So Q10, Q11, Q12, Q13, Q14, and it is Q15. Section B total is already there. Q16, Q17, Q18. So once if we map it, then it is easy for us. It is one-time job. So Q20 is mapped. Next, section C total is already matched. Total is also already matched. Click on next. Now I have to give the file name. So mark sheet. File name can be generated like this. The roll number. If you don't know the tag here, you just click on here, find out the tag. So it is roll number. The meaning of this is I'm going to create a mark sheet for this particular roll number, and file name is like this. It will be stored in my folder, Google Drive folder. So I'm going to create it as a PDF, multiple mode. Next. So by default, it will be stored in my folder generate mark sheet CA. It is created in the Google Drive. It is optional. You need not give any reference here. Add condition, only one condition. So roll number should not be blank. So I'm giving roll number as not null. So if you click on this, so here it will give you not null. If you want to set for any more consent, you can set there. Click on next. Share the document is. So I'm going to share it in the PDF file. So it will not allow you to edit here. Allow the collaborators to reshare. No. Send from the generic no reply address. You can click on S. You can use the tags here. So to whom I'm going to send a mail. So your mail ID is there. So you just use the mail ID tag here in the to address. It should be same as the tag which is already given here in the sheet. So it is email. First letter is capital letter. And type in the subject mark sheet for second CA test. And now I have to type the content. Dear, let me give the student name from the tags. It is already name. Find the mark sheet for second CA test of subject 1. Let me give the subject 1 as a common. You have to give the specific subject name here. Then click on next. Run. I don't need to run any trigger. Save. So I am saving my job. Now the mark sheet CA test is been created. Now click on this run job. So you have to run your job. Then only it gets completed. So click on run job. Merge sequence started. So see, it will add the respective fields here. So I have started. 3 rows will be merged. So I have only 3 rows. If we have 60 rows, all the 60 rows will get merged. So it will take 5 to 10 minutes time to merge all 60 rows. So each row belongs to individual student. So roll number 1 generated, roll number 2 generated. And roll number 3 is also generated. Now this has been sent to the respective mail. So let me check the respective mail ID. So go to the, because already my mail is opened, I'm going to my Cognito window and opening my Gmail ID. So it has been given Python certificate, whatever it is. Next, I'm giving the password. So I'm opening mail. So already the mail has been received. So it is nothing but Revati Y 2006. This is, see, the marks has been displayed like this. So the student will get the mark sheet like this. Section A marks, section B marks, section C marks, section that is total marks, and subject staff name. If you give your name, it will print your name as such. So you can able to download this. So that's how we create. If you click on this thing, you can able to download it and save the mark. So this is the PDF version of the marks. So that is how we can create the mark sheet. So it will be automatically sent to all the students whoever there. It will be sent directly to the respective student's mail ID. So Priyanka is roll number, everything has been displayed like a mark sheet. So the simplest procedure to automatically generate the mark sheet and send to the respective students. Thank you.